Alrighty guys, so on this video here, let me check that lens. Looks pretty clear. Hold on. Alright, so on this one here, I just want to talk about these cab lights that I've been doing lately. Most of you guys on here have found me on YouTube due to these cab lights. For the people who've been here and have brought in me their trucks, I just want to say thank you for giving me the opportunity to work on your truck. Some of these trucks that I've been getting, people work very hard for them trucks, and unfortunately, some of these guys want the cab lights and they're not coming in with them. Some of them get very upset, but due to whatever California law, due to something like that, the 2500s are no longer coming with them. Hey, for the people who are purchasing the trucks and don't get them, sucks for you, but it's good for me because it's bringing in business, and I've met some pretty nice people through this journey. Anyways, I've already done about, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I've lost track. I really gotta go back through that first one. Go on my Instagram page, D's underscore garage underscore David. You're gonna find my page there where I post a lot of the work that I do. Scroll all the way down, let's see who finds that first truck I did. But man, just easily on the top of my head, I've probably done about, I kid you not, and I'm not exaggerating, probably over 30 trucks now. And the first ones were a little tough, but I made it happen, and they worked out. Luckily to this day, I haven't had any comebacks. People have traveled for miles to come and get these done because they don't want just anybody messing with their trucks. They want somebody who is already experienced and knows what they're doing. I can sit here for hours talking about the stories that I've heard of people going through these cab lights, but I'm not gonna do that, just because time frame, maybe at a later time. So for the people who are curious, we use all original GM parts. These are all GM parts, guys. I'm not adding no aftermarket parts. All GM parts. Outer lights. These are sealed, not even opened. And then this is the center piece. And you need the wiring harness. So you need all those parts. I usually keep 1 or 2 sets in stock. Kid you not, I just got 2 in stock on Monday, and they're already sold. So now I gotta order 2 more sets. In addition to that, I'm gonna also start keeping the LED emblem that lights up, right, in stock as well, so that when the people come in to do the cab lights, hey, you want to do the light up LED emblem, we're gonna have them for you guys in stock. And you guys know already, we're doing mostly everything that you can do to these trucks: cab lights, emblems, chrome deletes, fender flare replacements, and the sound system on it that Kicker brought out, which is this box right here. It's specifically for the Silverados and the GMCs if you're looking to get some good bass. But anyways, I'm gonna cut this short. Just wanted to share that information with you guys. Just a one-on-one here with you guys for all my viewers. Hey, thanks again to all the people that have been coming through. I appreciate your guys' support. And if you guys have any questions or any concerns reach us here at D's Garage in Corona, we got you.